Once again, I got new wheels for my Corvette. Stick around to see how they turned out right after I show you where I got them installed. Welcome to my garage. If you've never been here before, my name is Jason, and I enjoy making videos from right here in my garage about car stuff, including my Corvette that we're going to be talking about today, DIY, product reviews, how-tos, general garage life, and more. If you like that sort of thing, do me a favor and subscribe and like this video. Lets me know I'm doing a good job, and feel free to share it out to anybody else who might like it. Also, feedback is always welcome. Leave your comments. I'll do my best to address every single one of them. So yeah, a few videos ago I let you know what I'm doing next for my Corvette, and one of the things was getting new wheels. The Forgestar M14s that I put on last year were great, but they just weren't me. So I picked up some Forgestar CF5s, deep concave, in the same size to replace them. Once again, I ordered them from DV8 Motoring, and once again for installation, I went to Brian's Motorsports in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Now, Brian's Motorsports has earned a great reputation in the Nashville area, and does he ever have some big plans for the future? Here's a scoop. This guy next to me is the Brian and Brian Motorsports. Brian Hayes.
Yes, sir.
How long you been here?
16 years, January 1st.
16 years of doing all kinds of stuff. I mean, I walked around, look at the wheels, look at the car stereo, and look at all the vehicles in the parking lot. Unbelievable. 16 years of doing great work.
Thank you, sir.
And that's why I'm bringing my car to you, because you took care of me before. I know you'll take care of me again.
Can't have an $8 an hour kid working on a Z06.
No.
You gotta have somebody better.
You do wheels, you do
Yep.
suspension.
Yep.
What else you do?
So wheels, tires, lifts, pretty much our bread and butter. Car industry, the car industry for us is picking up, taking off. You know, your SUVs, we do a lot of taking chrome deletes, blacking out, powder coating wheels, factory wheels, Range Rovers, you know, Porsche Panameras, different cars like that. All that ends picking up. Audio stuff's picking up for us quite a bit. We do leather, window tint, do some vinyl graphics, decals. So really anything to do automotive, aftermarket, exhaust, really anything.
Really?
Yes, sir.
You don't say no. You say we can do it.
I
type
don't
thing?
know. That's everybody gets mad at me. I don't say no. I don't say no.
I didn't see you sit down once since I got here. I got to think. Do you even have a desk?
I do for about 5-10 minutes in the mornings, and that's about it.
And that's about it.
I like having my hands in everything. Customers, I like standing out in the parking lot when it's warm. I stay outside, especially on Fridays, Thursday, Fridays. We don't work weekends. We're blessed enough to say we're a Monday through Friday company. Saturday, Sunday, you spend time with your family. So I help organize everything, hands in, whether I'm out tires, you know, pull trucks in and out, pull parts, whatever it is. I like to have fun too. So just like you said, I like to go outside and kick everybody in the rear and say, let's go. Part of life. So
Cool. Well,
with that being said, I mean, we go out back, we'll show you our new shop, new showroom coming, 11,500 square foot shop out back, walk around the corner and bam, there it is. Everybody thinks it's at a different location. It's right behind here, so that way we can show you that stuff.
Well, I'll tell you what. Why don't we pull the car in, have the guys start working on it? I want to see the new shop.
All right, let's go.
All right, cool. So you brought me to this airplane hangar
Yes.
that you're building.
Yes.
This is the new shop.
New shop. It's pretty cool. So you got 11,500 square feet. We'll have 8 2-post rack on one wall, 2 alignment racks buried in the ground for all your lower cars, Z06, Lamborghini, Ferrari, doesn't matter. Flush to the ground, C10 trucks. We do a lot of C10 trucks lowering. So then also big trucks with 16-inch wide wheels. When they pull on the alignment rack, you won't have any issues. So all the guys, all the inventory will close down on a Friday, 3 o'clock. Back here will be up and ready to roll Monday morning. We won't skip a beat. It's pretty awesome. So it's a blessing to be here. Bat signal on the roof. We'll put a BMS logo on the roof. So a couple of, got some surprises on some outside picture spots we're working on. Do about 20-30 tons of gravel out there by the railroad track. So when the train stop by, we'll have some cool spots for you to come video.
Nice. So it sounds to me like well, after 16 years, you've grown, you're expanding, and now you're going to make it almost like an experience rather than just a service.
Yeah, everything will have a reason from it. So but from a media standpoint, picture standpoint, everybody nowadays, YouTube of course, they want to be seen. They want to know what's going on. So the shop and the new showroom out front both will have live stream social media cameras. So we'll have basically like a BMS experience. So if we build you a vehicle, we can cover it up. We can have a party, call in caterers, one click, Facebook, Instagram, live stream, uncover the car, roll it out. Same thing back here. to be able to come back and video, see what the guys are working on, see what they're building, what's new, because daily it changes. You never know. You'll be working on, you know, Lexus GS one day, next day you got a 92 Dodge, you know, 12-inch lift, wow, 30-inch wheels, 44-inch tires. You never know what you're going to be working on.
Too cool, man. Can't wait to see it done.
So,
and you can hear the guys working on it. They're I gotta think they're nonstop on this.
Nonstop. It's about 45 degrees a day, a little windy, but my guys, Curtis Construction's one helping me do it here in Hendersonville. All the guys have been great. My metal guys, electrical guys, concrete, everything's rolling well. It's a blessing to be able to walk around the corner and see this big building, knowing that you're looking at a trailer park kid that bought his first car 2 doors down here when I was 18 years old. So I can't, I don't forget where I come from, and I just keep driving every day.
Nice. Too cool. Well, let's go see, speaking of driving, let's go see how the guys are doing.
Yeah, roast some tires.
All right, let's go check them out. Austin, how long you worked here?
I've worked here for 2 years.
2 years?
Yes, sir.
And what keeps you here at BMS?
Just the environment, always learning to do something new every day.
Yeah.
And just the happiness here. That's what brings it here.
This guy keeps you happy?
That's why it's called Candy Lane. You know?
Plus you get to work on cool cars, I guess, right?
Something new every day.
Oh. Appreciate you guys taking care of mine.
Yep.
What about you, bud? What's your name?
My name is Justin Porter. I've been here a little under 2 years.
2 years?
Yep, and I love doing what I do here because there ain't nothing like the special cars like this right here. You don't see them every day. You know, ain't your mom's average Pinto.
What's the coolest thing that you've worked on personally?
57 Bel Air with a flame ghost up with 28-inch spokes.
Really? 28-inch spokes. That's a big one.
Yep.
Cool, cool, cool. And what's the weirdest thing you've worked on?
A Tesla.
A Tesla?
Believe it or not, because some of the wheels to do that, we have to modify it a little bit, and it can be challenging, but it's fun.
Cool. Thanks again for taking care of my car as well.
Hey, no problem.
So the guys really hustled.
It's just like anything else. If you want to eat lunch, you want to get something done, it's Fajita Friday, so really...
So you just say, finish the car, then you can eat?
Just like we said, next time we'll just put a camera in front of them, some fajitas inside. 30 minutes or less, you're out of here. Forgestar wheels, Corvette sensors done in 35 minutes. Say, it's pretty gravy.
That's why I came back, because you guys did everything right. The first time you treated me like a king, you did it again. And I'm not the only one, I'm just a normal guy just like anybody else. Well, everybody's a king when they come in. I got the feeling that you make sure that you instill that in everybody that works here.
Well, always from my side, my standpoint, when I tell salesmen, first step in the door, last step out the door, both of them should be the same. Customer comes in, customer comes out. We're real easy. Customer's not always right, but the customer has a good attitude, it goes a long way. So that's the way it works. So cool. We love what we do. If it weren't for people like you or just people in general, repeat customers, I started with a gravel driveway and a 2-car garage and a snap-on balancer. Oh, wow. So don't forget where I come from that guy coming up my driveway the same way here. I want to make sure when I see him at the gas station, they'll say, hey, what's going on? How you doing? So, but it's pretty cool. Just come in Candy Lane every day and roll with it. So,
Candy Lane, there it is again.
So.
Cool, man. I'll tell you what, for as long as I've got a car, which I'm going to have one for the rest of my life, I'm going to be a customer of yours, Brian. So thank you so much,
Appreciate
buddy.
you.
All right.
All right.
Yeah, so I got a haircut since then, but I think a lot of us did. Anyway, you can see why I won't take my car anywhere else for wheel and tire work, and in the future, lots more. Brian and his team are so cool, and they're great to work with. Now, you heard Brian mention a couple times about a new showroom. What he was talking about was a complete renovation of the main building out in front that my installation took place in, with the new building that we saw the beginnings of in the back behind it. I cannot wait to see the new shop and showroom. I think it's going to be a world-class facility. So, back to my car and the new wheels. And here's the results. Now, I loved the wheels the way they were before, but I absolutely love them now. It was a good choice for me. The ones that I had before, like I said, they were great, but they just weren't me, and these are definitely me, and these definitely look great on the car. Now, I still have some work to do on the front. Like I said, I got some black headlights that's got to go in it. I got to find myself a ZR1 front splitter. I just got to. And I got some other work that I got to do. For example, the more I look at it, the more these look out of place. I found a company that makes something a little bit better than the factory flat black plastic that can match the gloss black of what I'm doing with the rest of the car. But overall, the car is really coming together nicely. I think I made the right decision, but what do you think? I wouldn't mind hearing your thoughts. Now, these are the same size and offset as my previous Forgestar M14 wheels, and all the specs and weights of the new wheels are in the description. For those that were asking, my previous Forgestar M14s that I had are indeed sold, but thanks to everybody who was interested in them. And thanks to Brian's Motorsports for hosting me and doing a great job on the installation. Thanks to Deviate Motoring, as always, for the great deal on the wheels and the great service. And of course, as always, thank you for hanging out in my garage with me. Let me know what you'd like to see me cover in the future, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, let's see here. Small, medium, large.